Hi guys. We're gonna do kind of a language arts slash science lesson for this. Because I found this book that talks about two things that we've been talking about in school. One of them is animals and their different environments and habitats, and the other one is characters in a story. Okay, so this book has a bunch of different characters, and they also are all in an environment that we haven't talked a whole lot about, but we've mentioned briefly. But it's the rainforest. Okay, so this is called Fun in the Rainforest. So what I want you guys to do is every time a new character is introduced into the story, and I'm going to do this also on my paper. Cassie, I have a piece of paper. Which all the new characters are going to be animals. I want you to draw a picture of the character or what you think the character looks like. Okay, and we're just going to do the first page for today. Okay, Fun in the Rainforest. Snail arrived just in time to see his friends toss around a mango. So snail, that's our first animal. So I'm going to draw a little snail. And maybe you don't know what a snail looks like, so then we'll have to do some research. And actually, I don't know what a snail looks like either, but that's my snail. Because she was a mammal with hands, Monkey was able to throw perfectly straight. So that's our second character, a monkey. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little monkey. Okay, so here's my monkey. Monkey perched on a branch, ready to scoop up the fruit on his beak. Something revealed itself clinging onto the fruit. The flashy reptile changed his color to match the bright blue of the sky. Spider clapped happily as she watched. Okay, so that's our third character in our story. And we actually talked about spiders not that long ago, so I hope you guys remember how many legs a spider has. And it doesn't have to look like a real spider. My spider kind of looks like a cartoon. Here's my spider. Let's see if there's any more characters. Monkey noticed Snail and tossed the mango to him. It landed with a thud next to Snail's shell. Snails don't have hands, Snail said. Let's play a different game. Okay, that's all that I'm going to read for this video. So draw there were three characters that we learned on the first page. The snail, the monkey, and the spider. Okay, right there. So draw your three characters and have your mom or dad send me a picture.